Stay informed with Infoline 11, your trusted source for news and insights. Hello and welcome to this vlog on how to get a full scholarship in the USA for international students. In this vlog we will be providing you with step-by-step instructions, examples, and useful website links that can help you in the process. Step 1. Research. The first step is to do thorough research on scholarships that are available for international students. You can start your research by visiting the following websites. 1scholarships.com. This website provides a comprehensive list of scholarships available for international students. You can search for scholarships by category, location, and eligibility criteria. 2fastweb.com. This website provides a database of scholarships available for international students. You can search for scholarships by keyword, location, and eligibility criteria. 3studusa.com. This website provides information on scholarships, grants, and fellowships available for international students. You can also find information on universities and colleges in the USA. Step 2. Prepare for standardized tests. Most universities in the USA require international students to take standardized tests like SAT, ACT, GRE, or GMAT. These tests are used to assess your academic abilities and potential. You can find information on the test requirements for each university on their website or by contacting the admissions office. Step 3. Apply to universities. Once you have identified the universities that you are interested in, you need to apply to them. You can find the application requirements and deadlines on the university's website. Make sure you meet all the requirements and submit your application before the deadline. Step 4. Apply for scholarships. Once you have applied to the universities, you can start applying for scholarships. You can find information on scholarships available for international students on the university's website or by contacting the financial aid office. Here are some examples of scholarships available for international students. Fulbright Foreign Student Program. This scholarship is available to graduate students, young professionals, and artists from around the world to study and conduct research in the USA. Hubert H. Humphrey Fellowship Program. This scholarship is available to mid-career professionals from designated countries to participate in a non-degree program that combines academic study and professional development. Aga Khan Foundation International Scholarship Program. This scholarship is available to outstanding students from developing countries who have no other means of financing their education. Step 5. Submit your scholarship application. Once you have identified the scholarships that you are interested in, you need to submit your application. Make sure you meet all the eligibility criteria and submit your application before the deadline. You may need to provide transcripts, test scores, letters of recommendation, and a personal statement as part of your scholarship application. In conclusion, getting a full scholarship in the USA as an international student requires thorough research, preparation, and careful application. Make sure you meet all the requirements and submit your application before the deadline. Good luck with your scholarship application. Please share and subscribe Infoline 11 channel.